Happy morning, students. I'm very glad to meet you all through this video. This is your English class, and in today's class we are going to start with a new lesson, the third lesson in your book, The Baker Boys and the Bees. Let's see what's the meaning of this title. Baker Boys means nothing but the boys who bakes cakes, breads, all those things. Okay, the boys who bakes cakes and bread are called as baker boys, and the bees, honey bees. Clear? So this is a lesson which is related to the baker boys and the honey bees. Before going into the lesson, I would like to ask you some questions. Have you ever met with a situation that makes you think quickly? The situation that makes you act wisely? The situation that made you to do something with the things what you have at that moment? I'll give you some examples. Imagine that you are making a kite. While making the kite, if you don't have enough glue or gum with you, what will you do? You will paste it with the help of atta or some cooked rice grains or something like that, right? Likewise, imagine that if you have got some burnt injury and there is no ointment or the first aid box with you at that moment, what will you do? You will show that injury place in water, or you will apply oil or paste, something like that, right? So this is called as presence of mind. It means thinking quickly and rightly in an emergency situation and acting wisely. So in today's class, we are going to see a lesson where the presence of mind of two boys, the two baker boys, and that plays an important role in saving their city. So, the third lesson in your book, The Baker Boys and the Bees. Let's enter into the class. A long time ago, there were cities, and there were great walls built around those cities. These walls were built in order to prevent the enemies from entering their city. There was a city named Andernach. It had a huge wall and there was only one gate to enter into the city. The gate was very strong and it was made of iron. And just behind the gate there will be a gatekeeper. His work is to open and close the gate whenever the people enter. People enter the gate very rarely, because the gate was not often used. So the gatekeeper thought of buying some beehives. Beehives means the honeycomb. Okay, so the gatekeeper thought of buying some beehives and keeping them on the top of the gate wall, because he loved to eat honey. He loved to have honey. So he thought of keeping some beehives on the top of the wall above the gate. Soon there were beehives on the top of the wall over the gate, and it became rows of beehives on the top of the wall. And there was a problem. What was that? There was another city. The name of the city was Linz. Okay, there was another city called Linz, and the people of Linz considered the people of Andernach as their enemies. These two cities were always watching each other, and both the city people were waiting for a right chance to fight each other. So let's see what is going to happen in the next video. Hope you all have understood up to this. Go through the text once in page number 40 and 41 and underline the difficult words and find out the meaning for those words. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.